Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Alright guys, I'm popping on today to share with you my latest swap from my junk journal buddy, Wendy. Now you may ask, what is a junk journal buddy? If you are a current subscriber, thanks for coming back, and then you'd already know what a junk journal buddy is. But if that is an unfamiliar term to you, you might want to go ahead and click that subscribe button along with the notification bell now so that you are familiar with the terms that go on in the craft community, because a junk journal buddy is a swap partner and a member of the Junk Journal Buddy Facebook group that is created and founded by Liz from Liz for a Day here on YouTube. Now that the swaps on her channel are hosted by Penny, one of her admins. She keeps it pretty organized, low commitment, small numbers, postage is low. You get one swap partner. You've got about the window for signing up is about 10 days. The window for creating and putting out in the mail is about 2 weeks. So, you know, it's very easy to put together 3 journal cards, which I believe that that's what this is, and drop those in the mail and pay your $1.25. If you want to do that more than once with other partners, you're welcome to, but the commitments are low, and that's one of the things I like about it. So this morning I got up, my husband was getting ready to head out for work, and he was coming in from the mailbox, and so he dropped this on my desk. At this time I was already done with my prayer and devotional, and I was watching Journal Life's Journey, which is a vlog by Rochelle from Scrap Craftastic. Both of those channels are here on YouTube. Her main channel, Scrap Craftastic, is digitals, downloads, planner related items that she offers on her website, and then she does Plan With Me's on her Scrap Craftastic YouTube channel. Journal Life Journey is where she vlogs about her everyday life and just gives us some insight into her life, and I find her channel very interesting, and I'll drop a link below to both of those channels so you guys can head over and show her some love, let her know Fam sent you, and you know, you might be interested as well. Anyways, so I'll usually check out and see what Rochelle's got going on, and that's after I go and see what Liz has got going on, because that's my YouTube and Facebook friend, and she's almost like, you know, it's kind of like a sister. You know how we meet people on the internet or, you know, on social media, and they become kind of like real friends, you know. Anyways, so I enjoy supporting her channel, and I'm a member of the Junk Journal Buddies. But I'm also one of her patrons over on the Patreon channel, and that's where she does a lot of her junk journal exclusives. So I'll check out Liz, I'll check out Rochelle, and then I'll, you know, start with the rest of my day. Well, while I was watching, hubby dropped this on the desk, so I said, let me go on ahead and pop the camera on and see, while Josh is quiet, of course, what Miss Wendy has sent out. So Wendy, thanks so much for swapping with me, and I hope you enjoyed yours as much as I'm going to enjoy this. Whatever it is, I'm sure it's lovely because I've seen your work. So these are journal cards. I believe that that's what we swapped on. Fam, hope you enjoy your swap goodies, Wendy. Oh, you know I will. Ooh, look, isn't that cute? What is that stamped on there? What kind of ink is that? Can you see that? It's kind of like a matte red ink. That's different. This will go into my December folder or journal. Okay, and so she sent me a guest check. Thank you, Wendy. I like that these aren't the thin ones. That's good. Contract bridge score pad. Oh, I don't have any of these. I'm gonna have to scan that in so I can make some duplicates of that and use them. And I don't have a lot of tickets. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I may have to scan those in too, because you see how I'm just, oh, a coffee filter. Oh, what can I, oh, it's a pocket. You see that's a pocket, y'all? That is a pocket. Did it come like that, Wendy? That is so cool. I dropped some embellishments on there. That is so cool. It's already got the color on there. And here's another one. Oh, this looks like the skirt on a girl. Is it me, or does that look like that should be a girl in there, you know. Okay, that's don't listen to me, guys. Okay, thank you for the goodies, Wendy. Okay, and then here, it might be a fabric. Y'all don't get me lying. I don't know if it's a fabric swap. No, it's not a fabric swap. I think it's journal cards. Should be. I don't want to. Oh, you know what? This is washi. I don't want to rip this because this is tea stained. It looks like tea stained paper because my coffee never comes out looking this this hue. This is more of a yellow. It has a yellow hue to it. So, Wendy, if you are watching, can you comment below and let me know if this is coffee stained or if that's tea stained or if that's done with some other type of liquid. Okay, I think I can open it from here, guys. Oh, gracious! I love the napkins. Oh, look at that! I love every one of these. This is like the watercolor napkin, and this is so pretty. And I like the way she had that folded. So clever. Look at that. Can you see that, guys? And then we have, I never know if these are holly or poinsettias. I mean, they're not. I know they're not poinsettias. And is it poinsettia or is it poinsettia? Does it matter? Is it tomato or tomato? But anyways, I don't know if that's holly or if that's a mistletoe. Can somebody let me know if that's a holly or is that a mistletoe? And how do you know the difference? I don't want to be ignorant. And I do want to be able to relay the correct information to my child so that he's not wondering at the age of plus over 30 what is what. That napkin is beautiful. Okay, so here's what she sent. Oh, I have oh my gosh, wait a minute. Chocolate? Did somebody say chocolate? And it's wrapped so cute. Okay, I gotta save that. I'm gonna eat the chocolate, guys. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? Wendy, I love it. And this is, I love the vintage feel of this Frosty the Snowman and the reindeer, the deer. More tickets. Yes, thank you. A playing card for me to, what would you like for me to, Wendy, what would you like for me to do with that? And Wendy, if you are below, if you have a channel, I do believe you have a channel, comment so that our subscribers, our viewers can head over and check you out. I do believe you have a channel. And this looks like a die cut, but it seems so fragile. How pretty that would make at the end, the edging of a page or edging glued down to a pocket, I should say. Okay, look at this cute little envelope, guys, with the washi inside. How adorable is that? Hello. Oh, these are cluster. Oh, they are journal cards. Wendy, look at that. See that stitching? Y'all are just going to, y'all not going to be happy until I get one of the whippersnappers. On Liz's channel, she calls her brother, it's one of the fancy 1,000,005 stitch sewing machines. She calls hers the whippersnapper. And since Liz has introduced us to her beloved new sewing machine, we've all been a little envious, just a bit green. But anyways, you see that stitching? No one's going to be happy until I have one. I have a brother, and I'm quite frankly happy with her. Where is she? She's right there, guys. And she gets well used and she's well loved. Let me make sure I got this back in here. Okay, so now we've got the journaling cards working, and this looks like, I don't know what that material is over that. What? Oh my gosh, I love all of the different layering and the texture, and a little bit of this from here is on there, and then the distressing of the edges, a labor of love, and the harp, the music. You know, I'm a music lover. Okay, and then we've got like a file folder. Look at the stitching. All right, let me get up close. You see that? Look at that. And then she's colored that. Look at the woman's dress, y'all. Wendy, you've outdone yourself. Is this stamped? She watched for a moment. Did she? She watched for a moment and then she went on about her business because she had things to do. Yes, that is right. Okay, and so happy holidays. I love the vintage feel. This is what things looked like when I was growing up as a girl. This is what, this is what I would see on Christmas cards and things like that. I love it when you guys leave the strings on. I'm not cutting them. I cut them for other people because I never know how anyone's going to feel. But I won't be cutting these. Thank you. Oh, this was some type of glossier card, and I can see that she sanded it to take some of the shine off. This is the beginning of a new day. You have been given this day to use as you will. You can waste it or use it for good. What you do today is important because you are exchanging a day of your life for it. When tomorrow comes, this day will be gone forever. In its place is something that you have left behind. Let it be something good. Wendy, I love that. And I'm glad that you felt that you sent it to me. I love that. And ooh, the texture of it all. Let me see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. See that? That's gorgeous. Wendy, this is gorgeous. Now, I'm a fan of things that have meaning, and they're being, not necessarily hidden messages, but a little something to make you wonder. It kind of prompts you for the card or the page. See, there's some lace down there. This looks like a paper doily. Love it. I love the aged look of it, the distressing. She added a little bit of lace trim here. And it says, more petty tempests were in store. Oh, I love it. I do so love it. She's got a little washi that she stitched on the back of. And so, guys, listen, this is my swap from good old Wendy over at the Junk Journal Buddies group. And so if you guys are interested in joining Liz's Facebook group, go ahead, click that link below in the description box, and it'll take you on over to the Facebook group. And again, I don't think there's any there aren't any swaps going on this month, but if you join now, you'll be notified. You'll get an update of in January when the next schedule goes out, and trust me, you won't regret it. It's low pressure and no pressure, I should say, and it's fun, and some great people over there. If you like journaling and junk journals and stuff like that, head on over. Tell Liz and Penny I said hi, and until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, hey, you can click that thumbs up button before we head out. I will wait. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, it does me some good. Anyways, till we're back here again on YouTube, guys. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.